My name is Mathe. I come from Bulawayo in Zimbabwe. I was fainting and having these blackouts about 18 months ago. And then we couldn't figure out why this was happening. Went to a doctor sent me to a cardiologist in Bulawayo, and all sorts of tests were done. Eventually, they thought I need to go to South Africa for an angiogram, maybe an angioplasty, because maybe my veins were blocked. And then we went out and got quotes. We even met people who referred us to India. Wockhardt was one of those hospitals where we sent in our report as to what was required, and they sent us a quotation. And looking at the quotations from both South Africa and India, we chose Wockhardt because their prices were competitive. And so we embarked on the trip to come here for that angiogram. And we arrived here in India. We got a very good reception from the hospital. And the very next day, I went into theater and had that angiogram, which apparently came negative. There was nothing with the blood flow, no veins were blocked or arteries. And then when they looked on my records, they realized that there was a problem with my heart rhythm. And so 2 days later, I went back to surgery for that correction, where I had to get an implant. And so I recovered very well from that surgery. And I must say, the doctor who performed the surgery, his staff in theater did a wonderful job. The entire hospital staff here, from doctors, nurses, drivers, and even cleaners, has been just wonderful. Our stay here has been very, very good. We were happy as well as to the way they handled the COVID. As we arrived on the very first day, before we were taken in as inpatients, we had to go get a COVID test, and then we were allocated a room. And even when we were admitted, very few people were allowed. In fact, we weren't allowed to leave the hospital premises ourselves, and the medical staff are well taken care of. From here they go straight to the hostels and back here, and we've had a very good stay. The food has been good. Generally, our stay here has really been enjoyable. I will definitely recommend Wockhardt to anybody who may feel that they have a medical problem. They have specialists in all areas, not only in cardiology, but right across all the specialties. If you have a problem, I recommend you come and visit this hospital and get the necessary attention. Thank you.